Good morning from the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. So today, giving back to the trail, doing a little trail maintenance on the Appalachian Trail. So we've got a good group, about 20 of us up here, going to do some trail maintenance. So film a little bit of that, let you see what that's about, but let's get out and do it. So the plan for the day, we've been carrying 8-foot, 6-foot, and 4-foot section logs down. I'm going to build some sections of steps, stair steps, and also doing some erosion control with rainwater gutters and spillways so that the rainwater can come down the trail and then flow off the trail so it doesn't erode the trail. But good crew today. We've been doing a lot. It's probably going to start raining here before long, so we're trying to get as much in as we can, but having a great day on the trail doing some maintenance.
Yeah, this looks like a good place for this one.
There you go. Yes, no, maybe?
Let's let these guys pass.
We didn't bring our level.
Go ahead, gentlemen.